Hey guys, finally Sleeps here, back again. Today we've got my Honda Daily and we are gonna put rear deck speakers in it. A new set of Alpines. It's a pretty simple swap if you know how to get to the speakers. So here we're gonna put in, there are 4 of these. It's the same size for the front and the rear. We have adapter plates. We'll show you how to hook those up. It's really simple. Alpine 6.5-inch EL-65Gs. These will fit in the front and the rear for us. So there are the speaker grills in the rear deck, but they are actually part of this entire plastic piece. So that whole thing has to come out. The first thing is, you see that piece right there, that side piece next to the main back seat has to come out. And to get to it, there is a 10mm bolt down there. So what you do is you drop the seat down from in the trunk and you pull this seat back. You don't have to undo the bottom seat. There's just a clip. You pull it back by hand and it is a 10mm down there. You pull that one bolt out and this whole entire piece right here, the whole entire piece will lift out. And it's only held in place by a couple of clips that lock in right here. It just locks into this. So you lift the whole thing up and it pops out once you get that one 10mm bolt out at the bottom. With those 2 pieces out, we basically need to feed the seat belt down through those clips, and then this entire panel is just clipped in. First though, we have to pop out the airbag covers here in the back, and it's the same thing. There's no bolts, there's just a series of clips that are back there that we use a tool, just a little body panel tool, and I'll pop them out. Now, once you get the panel off, there's one little permanent clip that you can reseat back here where it goes. From the trunk side, there is one clip that you have to remove for the taillight first, and then it is free to go pull it out. Now, this big giant panel here, to get this out, you have to lift up and then pop it, because all of these are actually like teeth that fit into these brackets. So you lift up, you push up to unclip it, and then once you get the rest of the clips, you can just pull it straight back. Now, once that cover is removed, you have access to the speakers, and there's just one bolt holding them in. Take that bolt out, and then on the opposite side, there are 2 clips here, and it just pushes towards the direction of the bolt, and they release. Before you pop the speakers out, it's easiest to disconnect the wiring harness from the underside, and then you may have to pry the speakers up a little bit to unclip them because they're siliconed in. Now, I am using a set of aftermarket rings that allow me to put a larger speaker into the rear deck, because we are installing 6.5-inch Alpine speakers back here. The link to these parts will all be in the description. For me though, I am gonna have to take out these inner tabs to make room for the speakers. Okay, there is the new brackets, and the clips are out. And the next thing is to seat the new Alpine speakers in, and we'll use the existing hole for one, and then we'll tap into the plastic on the other side with one of the self-tappers that came with the speakers. Now that the speakers are in there, the next step is I'm going to use a set of Metra wiring harnesses that allow me to connect these directly to the factory harness, and then hook them up on the other side. That's it. Test them, make sure they work, put everything back together, and you're good to go.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems.